AppOwls Review. Introduction. AppOwls is brought to you by Abby Dwivedi. So the big question is AppOwls really worth your money? I'll tell you if it ticks all the boxes, and if it does, I'll give you some awesome complimentary bonuses you can only get from me today. My goal is to help you make an informed decision so you don't end up wasting your money. Now let's jump into the next section of my AppOwls review to find out what exactly AppOwls is and how it can help you and your business. AppOwls feature and benefit. Create mobile apps from a keyword or by industry in real time powered by AI. You don't have to be a tech genius to create a stunning mobile app. Simply enter a keyword and watch the AI swing into action and create a mobile app for your business or for your clients in just seconds. Create iOS PWA mobile apps. Create Android PWA mobile apps. Create apps using the built-in WYSIWYG mobile app editor. Create and damp. Manage up to 100 mobile apps. Create custom mobile app templates, like a template that you created using AppOwls. Save your customized template to use again in the future for your business or for your clients. Alternatively, you can choose from over 150 templates that have been created by their in-house team of designers and damp coders. Create multi-page mobile apps. Choose from 100 plus hottest niches. No domain or web hosting needed when you get access to AppOwls during this special launch offer. You would never need to worry about buying a domain or paying for hosting. They are giving away free hosting and damp domain to you, so you can get started profiting right away. No need to pay Play Store or Apple Store for publishing. Thankfully, with AppOwls you'll never need to pay a penny to Play Store or Apple Store for publishing your iOS and damp Android apps. Doesn't matter how many mobile apps you create and damp publish. It is totally free of cost. One-click download all your apps for backup, for added security. You can even download all the apps to your hard drive. It's a wonderful idea if you wish to keep a backup of all the apps you create for yourself or for your clients. Alternatively, you can also download the app and damp share it with your clients, so they can keep it with them as a backup. If you want, you can even charge a small fee for providing this extra copy. Create custom mobile app templates. If you want to publish your app on Apple or Google Play Store, you can simply convert your app into a native app with one click. A programmer normally takes a few weeks to create such native apps. But with AppOwls you can create them in just seconds. Publish your app on these stores to get free traffic and downloads for your app and get higher visibility and damp authority. Remember to charge your clients extra for this. Send SMS via SMS integration. Multiple autoresponder integration. Create mobile e-com apps. Everyone in damp their dogs know that selling products on the internet is the fastest way to make huge profits. With AppOwls you can create any mobile e-com app you want in any niche within seconds. And so many more. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Breakthrough AI technology automatically creates stunning mobile apps for any business in any niche with just a keyword in 60 seconds. Sell and damp profit from rabid buyers in restaurants, pizza shops, barbers, spas, decors, old age homes and hundreds of other niches. Create ultra-fast full-functional personal or business mobile apps using AI. No App Store approval needed. Get started in seconds. Easy to use. No coding or technical skills required. Enjoy free hosting. Use your own domain or our domain. Create both Android and damp iOS apps instantly. Free commercial license included to help you start your own mobile app agency. Sell mobile apps that are user-friendly and damp that can send push notifications. Send SMS with a push of a button. Sell anything via checkout with PayPal, Stripe, Square, Paystick and damp Razorpay. Turn apps into a paid fee membership model. Fully ADA plus GDPR compliant. Now you can create beautiful mobile apps using AI in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter keyword. Step 2. Answer a couple of questions. Step 3. Publish and dump. Sell. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. No matter what type of business, AppOwls is your one-stop shop for building stunning mobile apps quick and easy. Maria made $90,000 on Upwork, creating mobile apps for others. Max made over $500,000 creating mobile apps for other businesses on Upwork. Chris made over $100,000 on Upwork, creating simple mobile apps for over 225 people. Lou and Bojan made $76,000 and $133,525 for creating mobile apps for others on Fiverr. Serhi and Damp. Kanika, who only recently started building mobile apps for other businesses, has made over $10,000 and $60,000 both. AppOwls is built for entrepreneurs and Damp marketers across all levels. Nothing to download or install. No prior experience needed. Zero learning curve. Newbie friendly, created keeping both first-timers and part-timers in mind. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. The quickest way to create and dump, sell mobile apps to businesses in just 3 easy steps. Enter keyword or pick a template. Just enter a keyword or select your industry and hit enter. The built-in AI creates a unique mobile app for you in real time. If you want, you can also simply pick a template and get started. Answer questions. Simply answer a few questions about your business type, color theme, logo, and contact details. Publish and dump. Sell. Publish the mobile app and get paid. Businesses that are desperately looking for mobile app designers and dump. Agencies. Restaurants. To receive orders for food. Hotels. To get bookings for their rooms and dump. Restaurants. Salons. To get booking for their services. Product creators. To sell their new products. Designers. To sell their new collection and designs. Digital product sellers. To showcase their apps. Chiropractors. To get booking from their clients. Dentists, vets. To get bookings their clinic and services. Spas. To sell their services and packages. Interior designers. To get booking from their clients. Car dealers. To sell new old cars and dump. Offer special prices. Life coaches. To help their members. Realtors. To sell properties. Gyms. To book slots for their members to work out. Clubs. To attract more members by promoting their deals. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.